Hello guys, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to place an image inside a round shape. So I'll click on my shape to choose this round shape here. So the main goal of this video is to show you how to place this image inside this shape. So I'll click on this image and I'll go to crop. Here where you have crop, you see various tools down here. This is the anti-clockwise rotate tool, this is a clockwise rotate tool, and so on, the lock tool, and this circle here. So I'll click on this circle. You see this circle is not regular, right? So I'll just try and make it to be regular, to be uniform. I think this is quite uniform. I'll click OK. So I'll bring it in front. I'll make sure that the edges were aligned with this circle. Let me zoom out so that we see very well. Okay, I think we are good to go with this. So I will now reduce. Alright, see, we have successfully put that image inside that circle. Thanks for watching. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, hit on that subscribe button, and also like you to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I drop a new video.